And I want you to understand that when you go through this process, you're gonna have a general idea of what to sell, who to sell it to, what price to charge. And from here, you don't have to build a single thing, okay? All you need to do next is get a meeting with a potential client, and if they pay you money and agree to your terms, then you do all the building, so you don't waste time. Focus on sales. So I'll give you an example. One of my clients, Melissa, who just joined the Founder X program, which is the program that I coach people through, she posted this in the wins channel. She's like, hey, not sure if this is a win yet. I just made a cold LinkedIn connection request. I reached out to a founder, and then somebody actually responded, and she actually booked a call with them. This is someone who really has no experience doing this kind of stuff, getting into the AI space, just sent someone a message on LinkedIn and it actually worked. And the funny part is she's letting everyone know like, hey, I don't quite have an offer, but I do know I want to work with training and the curriculum design, just general direction. Okay. And then obviously, because she's in the program, I'm going to help her figure out what the offer should be, what to say on the call. But you see, my point is, even if you don't have a solid offer, people will still get on a call with you and you can figure it out based on the pain points that they have. Right? So again, you don't have to make everything perfect, because Melissa is a perfect example of just shooting your shot, sending the messages, getting on a call, and figuring it out. What is the alternative? Watch another 4-hour course on how to build a website? Please do not waste your time and just take action. So now that we have your offer, let's get into how to actually sell your AI-powered services. And we're going to do two things. So let's go into some sales misconceptions, right? Some people think, nobody's going to respond because I don't have an audience. Not true, because all the people I showed you did not have an audience when they started, right? And they didn't even have an offer either. Number two, cold outreach doesn't work anymore. I just literally proved that it works, right? Even if you have no following. Number three, nobody will respond if I don't have anything built. Do you think Melissa has anything built? No, she doesn't even have an offer, but people still respond. So just get that limiting belief out of your head and get to work. And I want to share one of my clients, Brandon, actually, when we started working together, he was making $750 on the side on top of his full-time job, right? It was a lot of work for very little money. Literally, just showing, by going through the process I'm about to show you on LinkedIn, he was able to get to $750 a month to $10,000 per month selling marketing services, helping construction companies with their marketing. And of course, can you use AI to speed up the process? Absolutely. Now, when it comes to selling, really, you need to get a meeting with a potential customer. And there's two ways to do it. Number one, you build a personal brand. So similar to what I have on YouTube, or maybe you want to create content on LinkedIn, people come to you. The second way to do it is you just reach out to them cold, whether it's LinkedIn, cold email, Upwork, etc. Right? It actually does work. Now, I do have other videos on how to build a personal brand and content systems, but for today, in this video, I want to talk about the direct outreach part, because that's something you can do right now and potentially get your first client this week. So I recommend starting with LinkedIn first. It's easy, you probably have a profile, you probably have work experience, and you don't need much of a personal brand to get people to respond. All you need to do is this: create 5 posts a week. Okay, they don't even have to be good. It doesn't matter if it gets 5 likes. You just need to post something so people know you're not like a bot. And from there, you want to connect with 200 people per week. That's only 40 connections per work day. And out of those 40 connections, maybe 40% will accept, meaning you're going to send maybe 16 to 18 DMs every single day. And out of those 16, 18 DMs, you will get some meetings and you will get some closes. I want to let you know that I have a free 3-day live training where I'm going to walk you through exactly how you can be starting your business using AI. I'm going to show you exactly how to find your business idea, how to build a personal brand, and actually how to find clients, whether you create content to get them to come to you or whether you want to reach out to them to sell them different services. So it's going to be a 3-day live training event led by me, and I'm even going to do some live sales role plays so that if you ever get on the phone with a potential customer, I will show you exactly what to say and how to say it to get them to buy your products and services, even if you don't have any social proof and you're just getting started. So if you want to see me live on this 3-day live training, make sure to check the link in the description, sign up before seats run out. Last time we had over 1,000 people register, and obviously we can't have too many people live, so secure your spot now, and I will see you there.